I'm just going to mark the silver. So this is going to be my measurement marker for the ring size. So I'm just going to cut this band. It's about 2 millimeters thick. Or 3 millimeters thick. Ooh, that's vibrating my finger. So I'm just going to I'm just going to follow this down flat to a flat edge. Because if the metal's not flat, then the solder can't flow.
Now, can you help me figure this game out? Can I do it? Can I push the button?
Dana! No, ma'am!
I was just not doing
No!
Don't step on the button.
I was sitting.
It's okay, honey.
Don't push the button!
I can't push the button.
It's okay, honey. Don't worry about it. It's fine.
So you can turn it off and then I'll just... Going until you reach like a bezel cup shape.
It's a cutting bee.
Well, look, you have to get this now.
Keep going until you reach a bezel cup. Begin bending the metal around the ring band. The metal back and forth with the pliers until you get a seamless soldering joint. Until you get a seamless soldering joint. Silver soldering paste. Put silver and solder paste onto the joint.
Daddy,
What?
do you like these spoons? Do you like this monkey?
Yeah.
Do you like the monkey?
Yeah.
The funny one?
Yeah.
Look at it.
Hang on. Just put it on there. I see it. Yeah, I like that one. Monkey.
Then go open the kitchen window.
I don't care.
Okay. So I'm just going to heat this up, starting in the middle. I'm just pointing the flame at the plate below. And then I'm just going to melt this silver soldering paste into the joint as the metal turns red. So it's going to turn red hot. And then the metal is going to, or the easy silver soldering paste will melt into the joint. Into the joint that we made.
You want this? Mommy,
Get back.
Okay.
Mommy,
focused. You just have to take a metal wire brush and run it over it. If it's pure silver or 925, you can put it in a pickle solution, which is an acidic compound, and then it will take it off. So I'm going to go do that, and then we'll come back and set the stone. So I've got this setting in a pickle solution. I just put some pickle solution in a microwavable safe dish that's disposable.
Under there.
And then I just put it in the microwave on 10 seconds after I put hot water in it. And then I put the silver in. If you don't have a pickle pot on hand, you can use that too, and it will clean the metal pretty good. So I just added 2 pieces of metal on each side. I just added 2 18-gauge pieces of wire just to add some extra silver on the sides here. So I have these 2 pieces of metal on both sides of the ring band, and then I'm just going to file down at these points right here with a half round hand file. Is it recording? Okay. So I'm just going to go file this down with a half round hand file. You can turn. So I'll just keep filing this down until I have the right shape. And then I'll do that on the rest of the pieces of metal.
Craig, I got a question for you. You had claimed to have had a Bigfoot encounter too. Can you explain that to us?
So just make a cup for your stone. Whoa. Use this and then file the tops of this little short piece of wire down to flat. So I'm just going to file these down to where their ends are flush. Now this is just a piece of wire that is oh shit, I didn't even see it. Hang on. Bend the wire around something round. I made a jump ring, and now I'm just going to file this. So I'm filing it face down, and then I'm going to build some metal up on it, put the jump ring on, and I'll show you how to do that next. So just put the jump ring on, and then run it back and forth until you have a flat surface. So you need a flat surface on the top of the ring. Excuse my work fingers. So you need a flat surface on top of the ring, and then you need this. And then you also need that little divot that we carved into the ring band so that the stone sets nicely down in there. I'm using a setup that's just a little bit different this time. So I'm going to go ahead and put some solder right around this ring setting. So I'm just using easy soldering paste. Now as you build, you can use hard solder to start off with. if you want, but you don't have to. So I'm just going to try and heat the ring up. But be careful because this solder will bubble up and then your jump ring will move if you're not careful. Always make sure you have a very well ventilated area to do this. Especially if you're using the soldering paste. So I put this into the pickle pot or into the pickling solution, and I just put it in a disposable bowl and put it in some hot water. So it's a pickling solution from Rio Grande. Do not drink it. It's not like pickles. It's a pickling solution that you pickle the silver in, and it takes the fire scale off. Diamond or whatever you're setting down on a flat surface, and then just lay your setting over top of it and rock it back and forth until you get your stone in.
Because it was already halfway through the first presentation, people were coming in like trying to buy their seat, you know. But they did, and they showed, and then it was like it was great. I mean, somebody came, and whether